If you're new to Upwork and wondering how to get hired fast, you clicked the right video. These 10 steps took me from zero to $600,000 on Upwork, and today I'm breaking them down for you. I started just like you, no reviews, no idea what to change, and terrified of getting rejected. But I found a formula that actually works. It's really simple, but I've noticed that only one freelancer of 10 can follow it. And I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Sit back, relax, let's dive in. My mission: to help 1,000 new freelancers get their first client on Upwork without wasting months guessing what works. These 10 steps are not theory, they're what I use to go from $5 jobs to $100 an hour projects with global clients. Step 1. Start with the right mindset. Freelancing is not a lottery, it's a business. And like any business, it takes time, strategy, and patience. If you come in expecting overnight success, you will quit before you see results. Expect slow at first. That's normal. You're building trust from zero. Step 2. Focus on one skill. Pick the one thing you can do well, whether it's writing, coding, design, or marketing. Don't try to offer 10 different services. Clients hire specialists, not generalists. One skill, one service, one clear message. Step 3. Create a killer profile. This is where 90% of beginners mess up. Don't write, "Hi, I'm John. I'm passionate about web design." That's fluff. Instead, describe what problem you solve, how you solve it, and what results you bring. Add a strong headline and your best work samples. No samples? Create one just for practice. Step 4. Set a strategic starting rate. Most beginners either overprice or underprice. Start around the average for your field. Usually it's $15–25 an hour. And make it clear that your rate will increase as you gain more experience. It shows confidence and transparency. Step 5. Apply like a pro. Stop copy-pasting proposals. Clients see right through it. Each proposal should mention something from their post. Offer a solution and with a clear question like, "Would you like me to send over a quick outline?" Make it easy for them to say yes. Step 6. Get the first job fast. Your first job matters more than the money. You need reviews, so yes, take a small gig, even a $5 task, and over-deliver like your life depends on it. That first 5-star review makes your profile instantly more trustworthy. Step 7. Build momentum with repeat clients. Your second job is already easier. Now reach out to your first client and ask if they need more help. I turned one $80 job into $64,000 just by building a relationship. Repeat clients save you time and help you grow fast. Step 8. Upgrade your portfolio as you go. Every time you finish a job, ask if you can show it in your profile. Add the results, what you did, and what the client said. Your portfolio should evolve with you. You don't need 10 projects. 3 solid ones with real outcomes are enough. Step 9. Raise your rate with confidence. Once you're busy or getting repeat work, raise your rate by 20–30%. Let new clients pay the new rate and always over-deliver so no one questions it. I started at $20 an hour and slowly moved up to $100 an hour without scaring clients away. Step 10. Be consistent. This is the part nobody wants to hear, but it's the real secret. Most freelancers fail not because they are bad, but because they stop. One week they're applying to jobs, next week they're watching Netflix. I'm telling you, consistency beats talent. I didn't land high-paying clients because I was a genius. I landed them because I showed up every day, wrote proposals every day, delivered solid work every time. 1 hour of action daily is more powerful than 10 hours once a month. And if you stay consistent, everything else falls into place. If this helped you, hit like and watch the next video about how to get your first job on Upwork. And if you want my free guide on how to build a freelance career that actually pays, the link is in the description. Don't miss it.